She must have wrapped your turban too tight. She should have kept you home on those Arabian Nights. It's plain to see you need some therapy. Oh, Simon, your mama could have done a lot better. Though I bet every day you did something to upset her. By the way, we got an answer to your anthrax letter. New York City's where it's from, is called a smart bomb. And I can hear your mama saying now, you're in a heap of trouble, son. Now just look what you done. Saw you on TV with your gun. Mercy sakes, I can't do a thing with you. Told you W's gonna get you. And I can just hear W saying, you in a heap of trouble, boy. And I don't think you will enjoy our game of search and destroy. Yeah, we got your terror right here. We gonna run it up your rear. Oh, Simon, your mama didn't teach you how to act. You crossed the line too far this time. There ain't no turning back. You're starting to remind us of another maniac. Yeah, you know who. He started World War II. Oh, Simon, your mama didn't teach you to behave. Now they say you're hanging with the bats in a cave. Well, pulling off that sneak attack was not too brave. Kinda makes us remember the 7th of December. And I can hear your mama saying again, ooh, you in a heap of trouble, son. Now just look what you've done. Saw you on TV with that gun. Goodness me, I can't do a thing with you. Told you W's gonna get you. And I can just hear W saying, you in a heap of trouble, boy. I don't think you're gonna enjoy our game of search and destroy. Yeah, we got your terror right here. We gonna run it up your rear. Oh, Simon, your karma's really got you in a jam. But that's just what you get when you mess with Uncle Sam. Oh, Simon, the Taliban is history. Nobody wants to see you starting World War III. Oh, Simon, you know the Al-Qaeda won't last. Oh, Simon, just like you, its future's in the